Hola clase, ¿cómo están? ¿Bien? En este video vamos a hacer primero un repaso de regs to riches con nosotros commands. Entonces, vamos a ver. Primero, let's travel. A, visitémonos. B, viajemos. C, visitamos. O D, viajamos. Viajemos. Próximo, let's eat lunch. Almuerzamos, almorcemos, almorcemos y almuercemos. Este es un poco más difícil, pero almorzar es un cargasar verb. So, almorcemos with a C. Número 3, let's decide. Decidir. Decidimos, decidamos, decidamos o decidemos. Ese es muy fácil, ¿no? Opposite ending, decidamos. Let's eat. Nos comamos, comemos, comimos, comamos. Muy bien, fácil, ¿no? Comamos. Let's not break it. Now it's going to be a little tricky. No rompemos la, no rompamos lo, no lo rompamos y no la rompemos. Negative commands put the pronoun before. So, no lo or no la. We don't know what kind of it is, but it doesn't matter. What matters is it's romper, so no lo rompamos. Opposite ending. Let's read it. Lo leamos. Leemos la. Leamos lo. La leemos. Which one? So let's see. It's a positive command, so the pronoun is to go after. So it cannot be a or de. So let's see. Leamos y leemos. Opposite ending. Leamos. Let's not look at it. No miremos lo. No miremos. No lo miramos. No la miremos. It's negative, so the pronoun needs to go before. So it cannot be a. And where's the it on B? Not there, right? So we have no lo miramos or no la miremos. Opposite ending being a command. Próximo. Let's not go. No vayamos. No vámonos. No vamos. Y no vayamos. Now remember, let's go. The verb ir, it's vamos, positive, or no vayamos, negative. So there's no it involved. So obviously there's no lo or la. So let's not go, no vayamos. Let's play. Jugamos, jugamos, juguemos, juguemos. I think that's a pretty clear one. Cargasar, juguemos. Let's not sit down. No nos sentamos, no sentémonos, no sentemos, y no nos sentemos. So remember, with reflexive verbs, verbs that act upon themselves, we need nos. And if it is negative, the nos has to go before. So we cannot be C or B. So no nos sentamos o no nos sentemos. Well, the verb to sit is sentar, so no nos sentemos. Let's look for them. We look for them. Positive. So let's put the pronoun at the end. So it cannot be los buscamos. It cannot. And well, there's no other one with the pronoun before. But let's see. Buscámoslas, busquémosles, busquémoslos. Okay, now this one is a little tricky. Okay, so we have busquemos les, busquemos los, buscámoslos. Now that one absolutely not, because the buscar in the command form would be busqué, right? So let's say you are confused because les and los, actually there is a variation from country to country. So let's see here. So the answer is not C. We already established that. Buscámoslas. And the author of this presentation decided it was not B. And I'll tell you what, because when you're not looking for something for someone. In other words, you're not looking, let me rephrase that. You're not bringing, like, let's look at the verb buscar, okay? You look for someone. It is a direct type of object. Unlike when you say, I'm going to bring a book to Maria, which is indirect. Here you're looking for someone versus bringing something to someone or buying something to someone, which would be indirect, le o les. So the best answer here would be busquémoslos, okay? 128,000, let's give it to them. So now this one is a little tricky because it's to them. So to them, it has to be le or les. But them has to be les. Now, I don't know if you recall, back when we did double object pronouns, that if you have les followed by lo, la, los, las, you cannot keep le o les and lo, la, los, las. Le y les, you need to substitute that by a se. So we know it's going to be se, and we're going to have some kind of pronoun afterwards. Okay, so let's see the first one. We have demos. So that's a good one because let's give, it is demos. Now, si, damos, and di, damos, it is incorrect. Okay, and the reason it's incorrect because it is not a command form. It's a statement. Nosotros damos, we give, versus demos, let's give. So we have let's give it to them, and we have B, let's give it to them. But one of these is incorrect. Let's see. If I say demos los les, okay, remember, if you give a positive command, all the pronouns need to be attached. So it cannot be B. Now, I'm going to tell you why this teacher also made a mistake for A. Because if you're going to give it to them, can that it be los? No, that it has to be lo or las. So the correct answer here should be démoselo or démosela. It cannot be démoselos. Now, the accent mark is correct. Dropping one of the S's is correct because you can't have demos plus se, double S. So I'm going to push my luck here, and I'm hoping that this teacher who already made a mistake knows how to, has chosen the correct option. And she did, although there is a mistake. Okay, let's buy them. Okay. All right, let's buy. It's compremos. It's not to someone, so it's not le or les, right? It's them, so it could be los or las. So let's talk about comprar first. It's compremos. All right, we have compremos, and we have compremos on A and D. Now, if you look at B, that cannot be it. Or C, that cannot be it. Now, remember, when we make a command positive, we attach at the end. So, compremoslas. And two more to finish up. Let's get up. Reflexive verb. Levantarse. So, that will be levantemos. Followed by, we get ourselves up. So, levantemos plus nos. But something is going to happen here. And what's going to happen is that we're going to drop the S. So, levantémonos. And now, the last one, let's serve it. Now, serve it is a boot verb. So, servir. So, sirvamos. Sirvamos. And what are we going to serve? Well, it could be lo or las. Okay, so sirvamos lo or sirvamola. Now remember, we only drop one S if there is a se, right? Because we can't have two S's in Spanish. And we also drop the S if we have a nos, okay? Like, for example, if I wanted to say instead, let's serve ourselves, that would be sirvamonos and not sirvamosnos, okay? But here we're going to serve it. So, sirvamos lo. And Mr. Teixeira won $1 million. Yay! Good for me. Okay, so this is a rags to riches review. Now, we're going to be working on very soon on your homework assignment. So tune in for the next video.